You ready? All right, let's do this. Let's solve. Actually, the directions shouldn't say expand, it should say solve. In other words, find out what x values makes this true. Well, first of all, right away, hopefully you can see that all of these bases are power 2. So let's convert them all to power 2. So power 2, this would be 2 squared to the x. This would be 2 cubed to the 2x. And this would be, and this is where a lot of people get confused, 2 to the negative 4 to the x minus 1. Watch other videos if you don't understand that. Okay, next, I'm going to combine those together. So this is 2 to the 2x times 2 to the 6x equals 2 to the negative 4x plus 4. Got it? Okay, now what can I do with these powers? I can add them together. So this is 2 to the 8x equals 2 to the negative 4x plus 4.
Oh, I got rid of the 2.
And now what?
Did you get rid of the 2?
Now I can get rid of the 2. Now that base 2 doesn't matter. If this equals this, then this equals this. Sorry, I don't have an x there. So I have 8x equals negative 4x plus 4. Oh, that's easy. Add 4 to x to both sides, I get 12x equals 4. Divide by 12, I get 1/3. Which I would never have been able to guess and check. That would have been way too hard. Because some people just look up here and just try to guess and check. Now, if this is a multiple choice test, you can use your calculator, just plug in the values. Use your store, use that store button, that little trick I taught you, right? And if you've got A, B, C, D, just take A, B, C, D, if A was 2, just store 2 in, 2 store for X, and then just plug this in and plug this in and see if they're equal to each other. And if they're not, try the next one. If B was 1/3, guess what? When you stored that, it would have worked. Okay? So you could always, not always, but a lot of times you can, if you understand the question, you don't have to actually do the algebra. If it's a multiple choice test, you can kind of reverse engineer it to get the right answer.